Surfer's Paradise, located along eastern Australia's famous Gold Coast, is a popular seaside resort. It is the Gold Coast Entertainment and Tourism Center and is renowned for its high-rise buildings and inviting beaches. Tooting. Does that mean you can't fart here?
No. Tooting is pestering people to buy something. Busking is performing in public for money, just like this guy.
The Natural Bridge Waterfall is in the hinterlands of Queensland. This amazing rock arch spans a water-formed cave with a stunning waterfall cascading down through a hole in the roof of the cave. An amazing sight. The Irwin family's Australia Zoo is located north of Brisbane in Australia's Sunshine Coast. Covering over 1,000 acres, the zoo is a must-see when visiting the Sunshine Coast.
Look at this guy's head, you'll kind of see what I'm talking about. About 60 million years ago, there weren't reptiles, mammals and birds, there were dinosaurs. And even earlier still, there was a dinosaur known as the archosaur. And it was sort of a half bird, half reptile looking thing. And this guy is a direct descendant of the archosaur. See his ears? Well, I hope you can't, because he doesn't have any. Just like the archosaur, this guy's got a set of tympanon. They're basically designed to feel vibration through the ground rather than hear sound waves like our ears are designed to do. He also doesn't have great eyesight. His eyes only see change in colour and a little bit of movement. Last but not least, how many teeth do you reckon a tortoise has?
0.
None. You reckon none? You're exactly right. They don't have any teeth. Remember, they're related to the archosaur, half bird, half reptile. These guys actually have a beak. Now, it's not like a chicken's beak because they don't eat chicken food, and it's not like a raptor's beak because they're not carnivores. Remember, they're an opportunistic herbivore, so nature's given them a serrated beak. It's a bit like a steak knife, so when they're eating grass, it's all easy and easy going, but when they're eating meat, that serration helps them to chomp it up into bite-sized snacks and swallow it down whole. This is Igloo. He's coming for a bit of action now.
Golden Beach is located on the Sunshine Coast region of Australia and is perfect for boating, fishing, and swimming in its calm waters. The Brennan and Garrity store in Maryburl first opened in the 1870s and remained a viable enterprise until its closure in 1972. Virtually untouched for decades, it was reopened as a heritage museum, and the shelves are still stocked with original merchandise, some dating back to the 1890s. This 19th century piano was shipped over from England and was never claimed by its owner. The store's office has also remained untouched and still contains ledgers from the 1800s. Maryburl is located on the Mary River and is one of Queensland's oldest cities. It was declared an official port of entry for new settlers in Australia in 1859. Over 30,000 immigrants arrived to seek work and a new life, as well as to search for gold. Maryburgh became one of Australia's most prosperous towns, filled with grand buildings that served the township and its various trades. On the last Sunday of every month, Maryburgh has a Sunday in the Park. Here you can ride a miniature train pulled by a real coal-fired steam engine and listen to a local brass band concert. You can also ride a full-size replica of Queensland's first steam locomotive, built in 1873. Maryburl promotes itself as the start of Australia's happiest region. We'd have to agree.